Hi, my name is Ryan and I am part of the Humble Support team. In today's video we will be looking at how to create a category and how to add a product on your Humble Till. First, let's add a category. To start, you will click on the Settings tab at the top of the screen. On the left hand side of the screen you will now see a number of tabs regarding different settings. Be sure to select the Categories tab. Click on Add Category, located at the top right of your screen. You will be required to give your category a description, and you can choose if you'd like to make the category active or inactive. Your category will now show up on screen, and should you wish to edit the description or make it active or inactive again, simply click on the category and you can edit it. Once you have all the categories created, you are ready to start adding your products. Next, let's add a product. On the same screen under Settings, you will now tap on the Products tab directly above Categories. Tap on the Add Product button. You will now see the Product Edit box. This is where you'll be able to input all the information required to create a new product. The top line will be the item code. This code can also be known as the SKU or Stock Keeping Unit. This code will be unique for each item. Next is the product description. When selling an item, you will see the description to identify the item being sold. Now you will be choosing a category the item belongs to in your store. The next line is units. If you leave it blank, it will stay as units, but if you want to count your stock by weight or by length, you can use kilograms or meters. If you have a barcode scanner, this is where you will input your barcodes. You can do this simply by scanning the item's barcode or inputting it manually. If the item you're creating is made up of different items, you can add these ingredients by tapping on the box that says No Ingredients and selecting the ingredients that make up the item and the quantity of the ingredients used. Please note that the product will now become a virtual or service item, and the quantities of the different ingredients will be deducted from your stock totals. The next up is the Tax tab. You will tap on the drop down arrow and select the tax type: standard tax, 0 rated, or no tax. Continue by putting in the cost excluding VAT, and then the selling price inclusive of VAT. The till will automatically work out your gross profit and your gross profit percentage. The next line requires you to select whether your item is physical or service. Selecting service will mean the item cannot be physically counted in the store and won't show up in the stock reports or stock takes, which is particularly nice for service items. This is also used when items have ingredients. The next box will have a tick in it, meaning your item is active and it will show up on your till. Unticking this box will hide the item, which is especially nice for items that are seasonal. The last box allows you to set the item as a serialized item, which means each time the item is sold or booked in, you will be prompted to put in a unique serial number for that item. To finish, tap on Save and your product will now be available for you to book in stock or to add to your favorite screen. Thank you for watching today's video, and be sure to visit our website for more information.